Here I have a Washita Oilstone by Norton, WB6. It is bench stone, meant to be 6x2 by 3/4 to 1 inch deep. This particular example does not have much use on it, as you can see. There's the sticker, the label. One side. Stop focusing on the text, focus on the stone. Yes. This one end. It's the other end. It's one natural little fissure right there. This stone is roughly 5 15/16 of an inch long by 1 29/32 of an inch wide by 1 1/16 of an inch deep, thick. So a little thicker than spec. No specific gravity because of the label. So, but it feels quite continuous, this one. Not very open. So it should be a fairly fine example of one. Norton Washita in the box. I thank you.